हेलो फ्रेंड्स कैसे हैं आप लोग? फ्रेंड्स, अर्ली मॉर्निंग I've already written it out. It was so beautiful. The aspect of moon we saw. I mean, I think everybody was aware of it and they must have seen bright, brilliant moon. But here, the aspect is that, we promote truth. Between the moon and my room and the Venetian blinds, the one who was awake was nothing but awareness. Because that distance is not truth, that figure is not truth, this body is not truth. The truth is only the seer which cannot be seen. वो सब देख रहा था और सबको देख के जो उसको उसमें से लेना था ले लिया, और उसी सारांश की फिर हम बात करते हैं that what was the truth in it, who felt it, right? Did the body feel it, or the one whose feeling is there inside and it is so it is almost invisible? Because where you feel it, you can't see one who's feeling it, but you can feel it through the body. But one who's talking is not the body only. ये वर्ड कहाँ से निकलता है, दिखता नहीं है, स्पीच में बदल जाता है, बट है क्या? दैट इज द ट्रूथ. That which is invisible takes the form of the word, and then it takes the form of the speech, and then it expresses the whole phenomena of nature. अब नेचर में आए तो अब सूरज निकल चुका है. The sun and the non-discriminatory, spreading of the rays for everyone equally. We are all nature. If we just look at the nature and the qualities of the nature, we will get to know that we are all that, right? It doesn't say that I'm there, doesn't talk about it, doesn't say that you're attached or non attached, doesn't claim anything but just spreads light. That is what I like in the nature. Because we are nature, we like the nature and we like its qualities. Because rays are even coming to this room, right? In spite of all the walls and everything, rays are piercing and coming to the room, and room is lit up with the light, right? But without saying, it's all there. So we are all participants in nature, and we can participate as per our level of awareness. Whatever we gain out of the energies, and we imbibe those energies, we talk with those energies only, we express because of that energies only. And if I look at the number is 7 today, the whole number, 4th of December 2025. तो कहते हैं सत्ते पे सत्ता दे सत्ता. I think there was a movie also. Otherwise, if you look at it from the point of view of numerology, or as it's number 7, which is independent, which is nature, pure nature. I'm also number 7, and I'm pure number 7, right? And then we have astrology. As per astrology, it's Ketu. केतु मोक्ष की बात करेगा, लिबरेशन की बात करेगा, स्पिरिचुअलिटी की बात करेगा. एंड व्हाट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी? जब आपका सूरज चढ़ जाए, कहते हैं जब आपका सूरज चढ़ जाए, मतलब कि जब आपको पूरा एस्पेक्ट अच्छे से समझ आ जाए और आपको ये पता लग जाए ना आप जीते हैं ना मरते हैं, यू आर देयर ऑलवेज, एग्जिस्टेंस इज देयर ऑलवेज, आई एम इज द ओनली ट्रूथ. It's only movement of the energy which keeps coming and going, but the shapes are different, right? So जब आपको सूरज चढ़ जाए तो आपको पूरी बात समझ में आ जाएगी, आपको पूरी कहानी समझ में आ जाएगी, और आप अपने जीवन में खुशी से जी सकेंगे. बिकॉज व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ लिबरेशन, विद केतु है लिबरेट करेगा. लिबरेट कैसे करेगा? लिबरेशन सिर्फ उसकी होगी वन हु फील्स दैट ही इज़ इन बॉन्डेज. बट वंस यू नो that your soul, your energy is the nature's energy. Does anyone in the nature talks of the bondage? No. They're all there, they all come and go. अब सुबह 3:25 पे जो एस्पेक्ट था वो बिल्कुल बदल चुका है. 8:30, 8:45, right? And it's a continuous circle which is going, and who are we in the circle? Let's not identify with what we are not. We have to keep emphasizing on the fact that we are the seers. And through this system, through this vessel, that seer is in a position to see the coming and going of the energy. That's the whole truth. So which way you are going to play with your energies, it is your play. बट दूसरा एस्पेक्ट अब सुबह का 5 घंटे के बाद द स्टोरी इज़ डिफरेंट. इसी तरह दिन के 4 पहर में कहानी बदलती जाती है, बट हमें सर्केडियन रिदम्स का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना चाहिए. बिकॉज शाम के टाइम अगर आप बहुत हाई एनर्जी करेंगे तो दोज थिंग्स यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेक प्रॉपर रेस्ट. बट शाम के टाइम हम उसको थोड़ा लो करते हैं, बट सियर आपका फिर भी बहुत ही विजिलेंट रहता है और वो अपनी एनर्जीज़ को 4 पहर में मैनिफेस्ट करता है. और कुछ लोग जिनको सुबह सुबह आवाज़ विस्पर से आती है कि उठिए, देखिए, हमारी ब्यूटी को निहारिए, वो भी करता है. बिकॉज इन द अर्ली वी आवर्स ऑफ द मॉर्निंग व्हेन देर इज़ विस्पर इन द एयर, आई डू गेट अप and I do pay attention to it. But needless to say that is what the nectar of life. And we recognize that, we appreciate all the energies. And हर एनर्जी अपना एक फॉर्म, अपनी एक क्वालिटी लेके आती है. You have been given this special quality of admiring everything else, because nothing else can admire itself except the human being. So we are grateful. We continue with our journey. Nourish yourself. As always, I'll always say that we don't come here without nourishing ourselves. We don't come here without checking our whole system properly after doing the body scan and all that. और विटामिन डी देखिए, सूरज निकल आया, आपको विटामिन डी मिलेगा, आपकी स्किन पे भी काम करेगा. So take care of every aspect. Proceed further. Look at the whole phenomena. Feel complete, whole and fulfilled. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned. नमस्कार. और आगे बढ़ते हैं.